West Vancouver, Happy New Year. Let's take a look at how the real estate market has been faring in the last couple months. Now, if we take a look at the sales to active ratio, you're gonna actually find that we're in both a seller's and a buyer's market. Let's get into these numbers. On a broad view, we saw 272 listings on the MLS, 26 homes sold. That's brutal. Giving us a sales to active ratio of 9.6%, meaning we're in a buyer's market. However, if we look at things on a more narrow scale, on what the average buyer is buying in detached in that $2 to $3 million price range, we saw 13 homes sold out of the 56 active listings, giving us a sales to active ratio of 23.2%, meaning we are in a strong seller's market. Condos are more in a balanced market. We did see some decreased activity. However, out of the 83 active listings, 10 sold, giving us a sales to active ratio of 12%, meaning that we are in a balanced market. However, if we look at things on a more narrow view and look at homes priced between $400K and $1.5 million, we saw 9 sold out of the 38 active listings. This would give us a sales to active ratio of 23.7%. Meaning we're in a seller's market for condos. Townhouses in West Van are a fun one. There isn't that many. There is only 12 active listings and 2 sold, giving us a sales to active ratio of 16.7. Average days on market was 70. But if you're looking to buy a townhouse in West Van, it's more of a balanced market. As we start off the new year, if you're a West Vancouver homeowner and you're thinking about selling and you're priced in that average 2 to 3 million, now's a great time to put your home on the market, especially before more and more inventory comes up in the spring. Now, if you're a buyer, keep in mind, things are not as bleak as they seem in the media, so don't expect to get rock bottom pricing. Pop the champagne bottles, North Vancouver. This is your real estate market update for 2023. Now, there wasn't much for fireworks because North Van kind of sucks with that stuff. But let me tell you, the North Vancouver real estate market is definitely popping, and numbers have cooled on the broad view. Detached homes in North Vancouver have cooled in the last year, but we're still in a pretty good market, especially if you're a seller looking at a broader view. We saw 128 listings on the MLS, 25 of them sold, giving us a sales to active ratio of 19.5, meaning that we're in a strong balance market. However, if we look at things on a more narrow view and look at homes priced between $900K and $3 million, we saw 22 sold out of the 88 actives, giving us a sales to active ratio of 25%. That means we're in a strong seller's market. Condos are still red hot, and we are definitely in a seller's market. Out of the 163 listings, 41 of those actually sold, giving us a sales to active ratio of 38%, which gives us a very strong seller's market. However, if we look at things on a more narrow view and look at homes priced between $400K and $1.5 million, we saw 59 sold listings out of the 138 active listings, giving us a sales to active ratio of a whopping 42%, giving us an extremely strong seller's market. And the moment you've been waiting for, let's talk about the hottest segment of all of North Shore. Townhouses in North Vancouver. They are crazy hot. A sales to active ratio of 32.2%, meaning that we're in an extremely hot seller's market. 19 out of the 59 townhouses listed on the MLS actually sold. However, if we look at things on a more narrow view and looked at homes priced between $900K and $1.5 million, we saw 14 sold out of the 32 active listings. And get ready for it. This would give you a sales to active ratio of a whopping 43.8%, making this the hottest segment of all of North Shore. Buyers, I'm extremely sorry about that. Well, cheers to 2023. If you guys have any questions about what's going on in your market, give me a call. My name's Anthony Trinetti, not Mary Poppins. When you're ready, call Trinetti.